Attorney Ricky Tumutorgo, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, nakikipaglaban para sa bayan.
However, the more important manifestation that I would like to make today, Your Honor, is in relation to a social media post that I happened to see. And this was posted at 11:29 a.m. by one of the private prosecutors, Attorney Amando Virgil Ligutan, posting that a principal or lawyers and law students know by heart misleading questions are not allowed even in cross-examination. Now, this was posted and picked up by Inquirer.net at 11:29 a.m. today. And I surmise that this has something to do with the exchange between the private prosecutor, Attorney Kapunan, and the defense counsel, Attorney Ferrer, on the matter of the cross-examination question that Attorney Ferrer asked the prosecution's witness. And I have here a transcript because I find it troubling that a private prosecutor would do this in the middle of a courtroom hearing. Because as far as I'm concerned, impeachment court is also a court of decorum. And the rules on impeachment under Rule 18 actually prohibits participants, especially lawyers, from commenting about the merits of the case. Now, one may argue that this isn't about the merits of the case, that he probably was just commenting about what ought or ought not to do in a cross-examination, but we're not naive. What the private prosecutor is talking about. He's here. He can explain it. He can explain himself if the presiding officer so desires. But I really just find it in bad taste to do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar, because even as we sit on the opposing side of this hall, we remain to be both members of the bar, and as officers of the court, we owe each other respect, politeness, or even kindness. And it doesn't take to mislead. We have a private prosecutor immediately taking to social media and posting this, implying something against the defense counsel. We will not have this.
May sagot na dyan si Atty. Ligutan. May sagot na. So anong gagawin ni Atty. Ligutan? Buburahin niya ba yung post niya na yon? Buburahin niya ba yung post na yon? Yung reklamo ng depensa sa post niya, sinagot na ni Atty. Ligutan. Ano ang sagot niya? Ang sagot niya, bakit niya naman daw buburahin? Yun. Sabi ni Atty. Ligutan, bakit ko naman buburahin yun? Ito yung sagot ni Atty. Ligutan. Why would I? Buburahin ko ba? Hindi po allowed ang misleading question. Hindi ko yun buburahin kasi yun po ang nakasaad sa ating rules of court. Yun. Tinitindigan ni Atty. Ligutan na wala siyang ginawang malisyuso. Hindi niya intensyon doon na ipahiya si Atty. Christine Ferrer. Ito yung mas kumpletong reaksyon ni Atty. Ligutan.
Sabi ko doon, ano yung interpretasyon mo sa batas? I didn't interpret anything.
Pero yung timing, attorney,
Okay,
bakit doon?
yun na yun. Yung timing is, I could post that anytime. You know what I mean? I could post it anytime. Ulitin ko po. Klaro po sa rules of court. Isang bagay po. Yun po yung tinuturo po sa aking mga estudyante. So parang sa akin, by just stating ano yung nasa rules of court, ulitin ko, without naming any person, without putting the context or hinting to that I'm alluding to anybody. With all respect po, this is free country. Hindi po bawal mag-post on one thing. Ano yung nakasulat sa batas, ano yung nakasulat sa rules.
So yung doon sa sinabi niya,
Are you not pertaining talaga dun sa nangyayaring proceeding?
Okay,
You're
I will not
denying
answer
it.
that question.
Sir, but is the defense overreacting in your
I
opinion?
will not answer that question.
sir, nilagyan po yung Facebook niya.
Sir, what do you make out of the presiding officer's
no,
warning?
so I lack yung personnel, but my Facebook page is still very much It's on. That's my Facebook page. No, that was just a posting of what the rules are saying. Nothing more, nothing less, walang interpretation. So kung may tinamaan man po, sorry.
So you're not referring to Attorney
Why?
Christine?
Buburahin ko ba? I mean, hindi po allowed ang misleading question. Hindi ko yan buburahin kasi yun po yung nakasaad sa ating rules of court. Buti sana kung I name somebody. Buti sana if I said this is regarding this. Even that, no? Kung pwede pang i-argue na there's nothing wrong with that. Basahin nyo yung post.
But the timing nga,
Hindi
Attorney,
subjudice sa'yo. Hindi subjudice.
Hindi, kasi
the timing po ng paglabas ng
that's
posting
the
us
problem.
on the...
That's the problem. Like what I said, kung pwede ako mag-post anytime, 24 hours a day, I think that is part of my right as a human being to post something na sa tingin ko ano yung nasusulat sa rules of court.
So you're
Walang
saying
bad
Attorney
faith,
Season is lying?
walang bad faith, walang malice. It's just like saying 1 + 1 = 2. At that particular time, inside an impeachment case. No misleading question is allowed is as true as the sun rising from the east and setting at the west. 1 + 1 = 2. There's nothing illegal about it.
Wala siyang sinabi na pangalan, wala siyang minensyon na kaso, wala. General lang na ano niya yon. Inano niya lang yun, pinost niya lang yung ano na yon. Wala naman siyang pinahiya doon. Gusto niya lang, minensyon niya lang yung rule. So, walang ano ito, mga kabunyog, mga kabayan. Walang ano, sabi ni Attorney Ligutan, walang malisya doon. Bakit ko naman buburahin yun? Oo nga naman, kung iisipin mo, sinabi niya bang, ang tanga-tanga nyo naman? Ang tanga-tanga mo naman? Wala namang ganun. Napaka-incompetent mo naman. Napaka-ano mo naman, TANGA mo naman, napaka-BOBO mo naman. Walang ganun. Ang sinabi niya lang, balikan natin, ano ba yung post niya ni Attorney Ligutan? Ito yung post niya. Ito yung post ni Attorney Ligutan. Yan naman talaga ang nakalagay sa rules of court. Sa amin ng mga abogado, yan naman talaga ang nakalagay sa rules. Ang misleading questions, hindi yan allowed. Hindi yan allowed sa direct examination, hindi yan allowed sa cross-examination. Kaya ano ito mga kabunyog, mga kababayan, sabi ni Attorney Ligutan, bakit ko buburahin? Ano lang naman ang sinabi ko dun sabi niya yun naman talaga ang principle sa law. Kaya ano ito? Kaya lang, syempre, medyo nasaktan yung nasaktan yung defense team, kaya nagsalita ngayon itong si Attorney Sheila Sison, yung lead counsel. Gusto niya na aksyonan ng impeachment court, gumawa ito ng kaukulang aksyon doon sa issue na yan. Kaya nagiging mainit yan ngayon mga kabunyog, mga kababayan. Pero sa totoo lang, dapat hindi sensitibo yung defense. Marami pang pagdadaanan diyan, mga matitindi pa. Si Attorney Lorna Kapunan nga, dinadaan pa sa mga pabiro-biro, 'di ba? Hindi masyadong seryoso. Hindi, seryoso ka in the sense na syempre passionate ka sa defense mo. Or sa argument mo. Passionate ka. Pero sa ganyan ba naman masasaktan ka? Sus na. 'Di ba? Mga kabunyog, mga kababayan.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.